You absolutely need to know this. Did you know that many commercial buildings are riddled with security vulnerabilities? These threats could cost you dearly if left unchecked. Today, we're unveiling how ACTi's advanced technology can transform your building into a secure, efficient, and smart space. Stay tuned. Imagine monitoring an entire commercial building with a single device. ACTi offers 64-channel support, complete with free licenses for all channels. With real-time streaming in stunning 32MP resolution and simultaneous recording for up to 64 channels, your building's lobby, elevators, and parking lots are under constant watch. Data safety is the foundation of secure operations. ACTi's built-in hardware RAID supports RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, and 10, with up to 128 terabytes of storage. From critical security footage to long-term archives, every byte of data is protected from loss, ensuring operational peace of mind. Smart security is now a reality. ACTi integrates AI capabilities to detect and track individuals and vehicles, even with on-VIF cameras. Monitor suspicious activities in the lobby, track vehicles in parking lots, and secure building entrances, all with incredible precision. When incidents happen, fast reaction is key. ACTi's AI search features allow you to pinpoint events based on target zones or metadata. Investigate incidents with time-based tracking and detailed evidence presentation, saving hours of manual effort. Fire, burglary, or sensor-triggered alerts. ACTi seamlessly integrates with IoT sensors and alarms to provide instant notifications and automated responses. Whether it's fire control rooms or critical equipment areas, you're always prepared. Communication and control made simple. With ACTi, you can remotely operate PTZ cameras and communicate via two-way audio through IP speakers. Whether managing incidents from the control room or coordinating on-site, you're always in control. Don't wait for vulnerabilities to become problems. Click the link below to explore ACTi's advanced solutions for commercial buildings. Secure your property, improve efficiency, and invest in a smarter future. Act now, because safety starts with the right tools.